Hey Aries. So this is going to be your love reading for the month of July. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this person is coming out of being frustrated about everything that has taken place because, see, they want to give you this offer. It's the offer that you deserve. And it's like they want to rush in to give you this offer, but again, they're frustrated. Why? Clarify the Eight of Swords. They're frustrated. Yeah, it's something with the past, and it's next to the Knight of Wands. So yes, they want to rush in to tell you, how they feel, what it is that they want, but at the same time, maybe this person was like in and out of your life a lot. Maybe they were being a player. This is why they're not confident that you may accept it. But I do feel like they know that they have to apologize to you for their behavior, and they are. Tell me more. They're trying their best not to think about what took place in the past, because they do want a new beginning with you, but they feel like the seeds that they planted with you, they're not going to grow. And it's just, they're afraid that things may not improve. Maybe they're feeling this way because there may have been some type of third-party interference that they're trying to get away from. Let's see. Yeah, they're trying to make a decision. Tell me more. It's some type of third party. There was a third party here, Aries. Your person could have been dealing with someone else, and y'all know third party doesn't necessarily have to be another man or another woman that they were interested in as far as like love, relationships, whatever. This could be family. This could be friends. This could be careers. Anything that was just like interfering with the two of you, coming together. But whatever was going on, it's like they know that they hurt you. They know that they disappointed you. And in order for basically them to give you this offer of the new beginning, they have to remove themselves from whatever this third party situation is. Because now it's like they're using their intuition. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But they know because they put you in some type of situation, they're afraid that you're basically like gonna go off on them. You're gonna be really cold to them. Like Aries, your tongue can be very sharp, okay? We're not gonna sit here and play it like it's not. It is. So they're afraid. They're like, man, he or she, So, but I mean, hey, they got a right to be scared. Like, y'all are done. You're done playing with their little game. And see, and this is why they're afraid to talk to you, see? Because they know they have to give you the truth. And the truth is they do want things to improve. So some of you guys could be dealing with a Libra, but right now it's like they're moving really slow. Look at that. There's the King of Swords. So some of you guys, this is a soulmate, but they don't want you to cut them off. Again, air sign could be dealing with Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. See, they want a relationship. They want to fix this. Tell me more. Hold on, let me look. That's too many. I'm not taking that. Hold on. They definitely want a relationship. Yeah, somebody could be dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Aries, this could be you, looking at them like you're not positive if you would, accept their offer back because they played around. They messed up. Clarify the Queen of Wands reverse. This could be a family member, mother, anybody, another woman, man, whoever that was interfering. Yeah, somebody could have been interfering, but see, this person was being sneaky to you. And it's like, in order for you to even think about giving them another chance, they need to change a lot that was going on with them. They have to change. And they know it. They have to make changes. And they're sad because they feel like they lost you. Maybe this person lost out financially, being sneaky as well, dealing with, whatever this third party situation is. But they're afraid that they're not going to have a victory with you. But somebody's coming out of being frustrated about it. But see, I'm telling, it's like y'all are not worried about it. It's like, yeah, you're worried because you're like, okay, is this person ever going to come back to speak their truth? But then at the same time, a lot of y'all have moved on. And even if you moved on, whether you have or not, it's like, you ain't worried about it. You are not worried about this person. Sometimes, yeah, you do think about them. here and there, because I feel like you guys, you know, really did love and care about them. You probably still do, but it's just like the situation wasn't working. You moved on. And see, this person knows that, and they're afraid that if they come back, you're not accepting this offer. See, they feel like you don't want to build with them anymore. They took too long trying to make things right. Yeah, see, some of you guys could be dealing with a Scorpio, but I'm telling you, they feel like they're not going to have a new beginning with you. Didn't I tell y'all? Here's the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like it's representing you guys, Aries, but some of you guys could have been dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. I do feel like, again, this is you. What I was just saying about this person knows that you're moving on. You've healed. This is the Queen of Pentacles energy. It's like you guys are healing. You're very caring and nurturing when you know, go all the way in with someone. But at the same time, you're moving on. You're not holding up your life waiting for this individual to come back. You know, it's like you're focusing on yourself. Tell me more. And that's why they want to come and give you the truth. But they feel like if they speak their truth, things are not going to balance out. They messed up. Somebody's dealing with a Sagittarius here. They want to give you the truth that they're single. They freed themselves from some type of situation. Tell me more. Yeah, and they're regretting everything that they did to you. Look at that. 2 tens. Look at that. Okay, so whatever karmic cycle that has been going on is done. It's over. And now there is a new cycle that is going to start. And see, this person is realizing what they did to mess up this relationship, the situation that you guys had. And they know that they kept stabbing you in the back. And they're hoping that you have been healing. It's like, even though I feel like inside of them, deep down, they know that you are healing, you're moving on. Because remember, I told you the Queen of Pentacles came out, and that's what she does. At the same time, it's like, yes, you're healing, yes, you're moving on, but is it to the point where if I come back to speak to Aries, that they're willing to listen to me? They're willing to hear me out? Is it too late? Because of what I did to them in the past. I don't want Aries to walk away from me, but at the same time, I'm not working hard to say anything. It's like, you see what I'm saying? Like, they're not doing anything. They're sitting there. But it's like, they don't want to argue with you, but they're isolating themselves. See what I'm saying? It's like, they want to be with you, they want to talk to you, but they're not making a move. You're not hearing from them. They're just kind of sitting silent. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo. But see, I feel like they're trying to figure out how to present this offer to you. Yeah, because they know they have to start over with you. But again, they're afraid things may not improve. They took too long. They played around. Yep. Aries, you could be dealing with another Aries. But you guys are probably looking at this person like, you don't bring stability into my life, so why would I give you another chance? You know, you didn't make me happy. And this person knows that, you know. They know. They definitely know. And that's why they don't know what to do. Because they feel like they're not going to have this new beginning. They really do feel like this. But this person is very determined because they're still going to bring an offer in. This person is not giving up. This person is not going to give up. They want to give you this offer. You will get an offer for them. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer, but right now they're having a hard time moving towards you to give you that offer. Wow, yeah, because see, they messed up in the past and they feel like there's no way I can work things out, I can turn things around. Yeah, they don't have the strength to come towards you right now. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. Because right now it's like either they don't have a happy home or they feel like they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you. So, could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But this person here definitely wants to give you the offer of stability. They want to give you that secure offer. Even though they're scared that you're going to reject them, I do feel like they're using their intuition. Could be dealing with a Pisces. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius. But because there were a lot of secrets and lies in the past, this person doesn't have hope that you're going to take them back. Even though they're trying to get out of being frustrated. So right now, they're making the decision not to move forward. This person is still going through karma, guys. They're still going through it. So, again, it's like, see what I'm saying? One minute they make a decision, they're not moving forward. Then they're like, okay, I know what I'm going to do. I know how I'm going to approach Aries. I know what I'm going to say. But then I'm trying to figure out how to go about doing this. And then they're not making a move. They're not doing anything. I'm frustrated for y'all because this is crazy. All right, so it's like communication is coming in. And they're going to tell you that they know that they didn't balance things out with you. They know it. They know you were the one that did everything in the relationship, you know? Somebody could be dealing with, I almost said somebody's dealing with the devil. Good Lord. Okay. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn, but maybe that's how y'all are looking at this person, like, you're evil. You're like the devil. Why did I waste my time with this person? Maybe the person that messed up, that wants to work things out with you, maybe this is what they want to tell you. Like, I literally felt like I was dealing with the devil. Like, this person was horrible. They mistreated me. They did me wrong. It's like justice was served, you know? Clarify the devil. Clarify the devil, please. This person's scared because they do want a commitment with you. You could have been dealing with a Taurus here. Clarify the Hierophant. I'm telling you, they want a commitment with you, but they're sad because they feel like they messed up so bad. You're not going to take them back. But they're going to give you an offer. This person is not giving up, okay? This person is determined. You see, look at the offer. It's the Ten of Cups. They want a family. They want you. They want stability. They want it all. They're determined. They're not giving up. But they're frustrated because they were moving slow. Somebody felt like maybe they're frustrated about their financial stability. They're also frustrated because they know that they left you out in the cold. But again, I just feel like you guys have healed. See, this person is going to give you a love offer. Could be dealing with a Gemini. But in order for them to give you this offer, they have to get out of this third-party situation that they put themselves in. But they know that they hurt you. They know that you're still disappointed in them. I was about to say this person's in their head, and look. It's a lot of internal conflict going on with this person because they feel like they lost you for good, Aries. They feel like you're not going to give them a new opportunity because they hurt you. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. They feel like you're not going to speak the truth if they come back because it's like you're tired of talking to them. You're tired of trying to always work things out. They didn't bring balance into this situation. They didn't bring contentment into this situation. Maybe they were lacking somewhere financially. It's just like it wasn't equally yoked. Like it was just like somebody was doing more than the other.